Good day, please introduce me yourself.
Hi ma'am, sir. I'm Divina Tanyeka from Aurora, Sabela, Philippines. I'm 38 years old. I'm married and I have 3 kids ages 20, 18, and 6 years old. I graduate secondary only.
Okay. Do you have experience abroad?
Yes ma'am. I work in Singapore for 4 years. First family, I observed 1 couple and 3 children, ages 17, 19, and 21. I do the household chores, do laundry, cleaning, the house, ironing, marketing, and cooking. The second family, I serve 1 couple and 2 children, aged 2 and 4 years old.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I look after the children when they're sick. I take their temperature and look after them, and I need to tell to my employer.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am honest and trustworthy person.
Do you have any tattoo?
No,
Do you have a surgery or serious sickness before?
none,
Do you have an allergy to certain foods?
no,
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
no.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to go abroad. I want to work abroad because of my children's future, especially their study.
If you get hired, who will take care of your children?
My mother and my husband look after them.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I focus to my work, and I just think that they are always safe, and I need to focus.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
Mostly I finish my work at 10:30 p.m. and I wake up 5:30 a.m.
Are you the one who does the cooking and do market at home?
Yes.
Sometimes kids are super active when they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will be patient and kind and take their safety first.
Do you accept no updates but to be paid instead by employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Can you cook Chinese foods?
Yes, sir.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir.
Sing it.
Baba black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master, 1 for my dame, 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane.
Okay, what is your message to your future employer?
Hello, sir, ma'am. If you like me, I will do my best to work with you. I will serve your family with all my heart, and I will treat you as my family. Thank you.